Still reluctant to get a COVID-19 shot? Would money help? The city of Gadsden announcing it's using money under the American Rescue Plan Act to pay people to get the vaccinations, $100 per person. Our investigative reporter Brendan Kirby is in the studio to talk about whether something like that could happen here.
Well, possibly, Lenise, but so far there doesn't seem to be much desire to use COVID relief funds in that way here. With Alabama lagging the nation in vaccination rates, public health officials have taken to begging people to get the shots. One city in Etowah County is trying a different approach, paying people. Any city resident who completes the two-shot regimen by October will get $100. And for every 500 people, the city will draw two names to win $5,000. The money is coming from Gadsden's $24 million share of money passed by Congress earlier this year. Gadsden Etowah County Emergency Management Agency Director Deborah Gaither.
Of course, there are skeptics and there are those that why should we have to pay people? I agree with that. And I heard the governor say the other day, we don't need to have incentives. But right now at this point, if it's going to help us to have a healthier community throughout the rest of this year, we really need to try it. Anything that we can.
Gadsden City spokesman Michael Rogers tells me since the city just announced the program Tuesday, officials don't know what to expect.
We certainly hope that this will incentivize people to get the vaccine. It is too early to tell. Just because the program, it takes time.
Mobile is getting more than $58 million from the American Rescue Plan Act. Mayor Sandy Stimpson has proposed spending it on bonuses for city workers, affordable housing, broadband, and a number of other priorities. City spokeswoman Candace Cooksey says the mayor doesn't plan to alter those plans now. She says, quote, "We have provided a clear and transparent proposal for our ARP funding. Our plan focuses on reversing negative economic impacts of COVID-19, including helping residents who need financial assistance with rent, utilities, and fighting evictions, expanding affordable housing in the city of Mobile, addressing gun violence, and providing premium pay for essential city employees." In Mobile County, only 36% of residents are fully vaccinated. That's a tad better than Etowah County. Back in June, Mobile County Health Officer Dr. Bert Eichel told me he was planning to launch a series of partnerships with local businesses to offer incentives like free restaurant meals and perhaps even cruises. But Health Department spokesman Mark Bryant tells me the Alabama Department of Public Health informed local health officials that such incentives wouldn't be legal. I've asked the state health department for an explanation, but haven't gotten a response. The department is offering $250 gift cards to winners of a TikTok contest that the agency is sponsoring for videos promoting vaccinations. But there are no incentives for people getting the shots. And Cooksey points out that the city administration has provided the Civic Center as a vaccination site and has worked with health professionals to urge people to get the vaccine. Reporting live from the studio, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.